Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is unit number 3 fractions, exercise number 3.9. Solve the following: 2 and 1 over 3 multiply 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5 dividing by 2 over 5. Now 3 2s are 6, 1 add 7 over 3 multiply 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5 dividing by 2 over 5. First of all we solve the round bracket. 3 5s are 15, LCM will be 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Now these values comes as it is. 10 plus 9 is 13 and 15 comes as it is. Now we convert this dividing into multiply. If we convert divide into multiply, denominator comes numerator and numerator comes into denominator. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Now we multiply 7 with 19 with 1. 3 multiply 3 multiply 2. Answer will be 133 over 18. If we divide in 133 over 18, answer will be 7 and 1 over 7 over 18. Now question number 2, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5 dividing by 3 over 3 multiply 1 over 2. Now we take LCM. 2 and 5 is 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and 2 1s are 2. Now divide 3 multiply 1 and 3 multiply 2. Now answer will be 3 cutting, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 2 comes as it is. Now 7 over 10 dividing by 1 over 2. Now we convert this divide into multiply. Now denominator becomes numerator, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now 7 1s are 7, 5 1s are 5. When we divide 7 by 5, answer will be 1 and 2 over 5. Question number 3, 1 and 2 over 3. Round bracket 4 over 9 plus 2 over 3 dividing by 2 and 2 over 5 multiply 1 over 2. 3 1s are 3, add to 5 over 3. Now we take LCM of these two values, 9 and 3, answer will be 9, 9 1s are 9, 4 1s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now dividing 5 2s are 10, add to 12 over 5 multiply 1 over 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 1s are 6, 5 1s are 5. Now 4 plus 6, answer will be 10 and dividing by 9. When we convert this divide into multiply, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now we multiply these numerator values, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, 3 multiply 9 multiply 3, 5 multiply 3 times 125, 3 multiply 3 9, 9 9s are 81. When we divide 125 81, answer will be 1 and 44 over 81. Now question number 4, 4 and 1 over 3 curly brackets, round bracket 3 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 3 over 4 round bracket multiply 4. 4 3s are 12, add 1, 13 over 5 plus curly brackets and round bracket 18 over 5 3s are 15, add 3, 18 over 5 plus 4 1s are 4, add 3, 7 over 4 multiply 4. Now 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 4 18s are 72 plus 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35. Now when we add 72 plus 37, answer will be 107 dividing by 2. When we multiply with 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now answer will be 107 dividing by 5. When we take the LCM of these two values, answer will be 15. 3 5s are 15, 13 5s are 65, 5 3s are 15, 107 multiply 3, answer will be 321. When we add these values, answer will be 386 dividing by 15. When we divide 386 by 15, answer will be 25 11 over 15. Now question number 5, box bracket curly brackets round bracket 9 over 10 dividing by 3 box bracket plus 7 over 10 minus 1 over 5. 9 over 10 dividing by 3. First of all, we solve the round bracket. When we convert this divide into multiply, answer will be 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 3 ones are 3 and 10 ones are 10. The answer will be 3 over 10. 7 over 10 comes as it is. Now we take the LCM by 10. The answer will be 10. When we add 7 plus 3, answer will be 7 and 3, answer will be 10. When we add these values, 10 by 10 minus 1 over 5. Now we take the LCM 10 and 5, answer will be 10. 10 comes as it is, minus 2 comes. When we minus 2 from 10, answer will be 8 and denominator will be 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Answer will be is equal to 4 over 5. Now question number 6. 1 over 4 plus curly brackets 1 over 3 dividing by 1 over 2 multiply round bracket 1 over 5 minus 1 over 10 round bracket curly brackets. 1 over 4 plus curly bracket 1 over 3 dividing by 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 5 minus 1 over 10. First of all, we solve the round bracket. Take the LCM 10. 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2. 10 1s are 10. When we minus 1 from 2, answer will be 1. Now we solve the curly brackets. 1 over 3. When we convert this divide into multiply, 2 over 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now we multiply 1 with 1 with 1, 3 with 5. 1 by 15. Now we take the LCM 4 and 15, answer will be 60. 4, 15 the 16, 15 comes as it is, 15 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Now we add 15 plus 4, answer will be 19, denominator will be 60. Now question number 7. 2 and 2 over 3 multiply curly brackets 1 and 1 over 4 plus round bracket 3 and 1 over 3 minus 2 and 1 over 2 round bracket and curly brackets. Now 3 2s are 6, add 2, 8 over 3 multiply curly brackets 4 1s are 4, add 1, 5 over 4 plus 3 3s are 9, add 1, 10 over 3 minus 2 2s are 4, add 1, 5 over 2. First of all, solve the round brackets. 20 minus 3 2s are 6, 10 2s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. When we minus 15 from 20, answer will be 5. Now 5 over 4 comes as it is, 5 over 6. Now we take the LCM 6 and 4, answer will be 12. 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Now we add 15 plus 10, answer will be 25. 8 over 3 multiply 25 over 12. Now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 25 multiply 250, 3 3s are 9. When we dividing 50 by 9, answer will be 5 and 5 over 9. Now question number 8. Box bracket 2 and 4 over 9 minus curly bracket 4 over 9 minus round bracket 5 over 9 minus 1 over 3 round bracket curly bracket multiply 9 box bracket. First of all, 9 2s are 18, add 4, 22 over 9 minus curly bracket 4 over 9 minus 5 over 9 minus 1 over 3 multiply 9. Now these values comes as it is. First of all, we solve the box bracket, round bracket. We take the LCM 9 and 3, LCM will be 9. 9 1s are 9, 5 comes as it is. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. When we minus 3 from 5, answer will be 2 over 9. Now we solve the curly brackets. These values comes as it is, 9 9, 22 over 9. When we take the LCM 9 and 9, answer will be 9. 4 minus 2. When we minus 2 from 4, answer will be 2 over 9. Now we multiply 22 dividing by 9 minus 2 over 1 multiply 1. Now 22 over 9 minus 2 over 1. 22, 9 9 ones are 9, 1 nines are 9, 9 twos are 18. Minus 18 from 22, answer will be 4/9.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.